Hey guys, welcome to Advices Media. This is the hands-on review of the Micromax canvas Doodle. That's the A111 from Micromax. That comes with the price range of rupees 13,000 in the Indian market, and this is a pretty good and neat smartphone for that pricing given from the company. It comes with a 5.3-inch capacitive touchscreen and with the QHD display with the 542 into 960 pixels of screen resolution. There's an 8 megapixel camera included on the rear side with the dual LED flash, and it's a quite thin smartphone with the 9.9 mm of thickness. That's high when you compare it with the higher end smartphones from Samsung, Sony, etc. But when you compare it with the other smartphone from Micromax, this one is a pretty good one with 9.9 mm of thickness. So let's check out what the interface is all about and what is this. This is the stylus from Micromax that's newly given into the phone. That comes with a cap here. Once you remove the cap, this is the rubbery cap. That's a rubbery tip of the stylus. So we'll see how responsive this is. There are a few multiple home screens available on the home. 5 home screens are included. This is the notification panel that comes with the sectional settings. This is for the connectivity, this is for the profiles, and a few options for the brightness, timeout, and the auto rotation. So these would be a few that would help you in saving the battery life when you are low on battery. And these are a few newish icons included. One is for the phone. This is the phone application. The next one is for the contacts. These are pretty neat and beautiful looking icons here. This is for the messaging, and this is for the web browser. So what we see newly in this smartphone is the Evernote application. The Evernote is pre-installed in the phone, so you can take full advantage of it and take the full advantage of the stylus too. This is the Evernote application where you can just try to write down a lot of notes of yours, and that can sync with your higher end devices like your laptops or computers too. So you can use it directly on your browser or the Evernote application on your systems. So apart from that, let's see what the operating system version of this phone is. Let's go to the settings. For a new user, these icons would be quite new and confusing, because settings was something different we used to see normally. This is a new icon, so that would confuse you a bit. So here it is, the 4.1.2 Android version, the Jelly Bean OS that's included in the phone, and the model number is A111. There are quite a lot of options: the dual SIM settings, the call settings, user profiles, the battery, application, location. So these are most of them are the standard settings that are available for all the Android smartphones. So what else we can see here is the Chrome, Gmail, the Google Plus, and there are Google Maps also included, the YouTube and the Talk. So these are the pre-installed Google applications, and a few applications that you see from Micromax that are included in most of the Micromax phones is the Fruit Devil application, the Hookup, that's the Hookup chat application, the M Live, the M Zone, and the Darkman, Playman. So these are the few that you can see in most of the recent Micromax smartphones. Widgets are quite a lot in this already, where you can just place the widgets by holding on them, and that could be easily placed. So this is nothing new with Micromax, but this is a standard feature that you can see in most of the Android smartphones, but still good to see that when you have this smartphone in your hands already. So Hookup is something new that you can see. We got a instruction book for the Hookup along with in the box packaging, so we'll have to see what it actually means. This is the Hookup application, text, chat and share as it says. It's an application that lets you talk, chat and connect on the move anywhere. So as Hookup uses the internet for sending or receiving SMS, your messaging is almost free of cost. That is something you can see on the various Android apps like the Viber, even you can call it WhatsApp. They are good for messaging, sending the photos and files to your friends directly. So let's check out what the camera is and how good the camera is. It's an 8 megapixel camera that comes with a dual LED flash. So let's try to start the camera and see how good the recording with the camera is. You can do the manual focusing here and the image quality is perfect. That looks quite beautiful and neat when you are indoors, so you can expect how good that could be when you are outdoors going. But one of the features that you would have expected to be better is the video recording, because it's a 3GP video recording at 480 pixel quality. You would have expected at least an HD quality of 720 pixels here, and the front camera is of 2 megapixel quality, so that's quite neat for the video chatting through any of the several applications that are available on the Android Play Store. As anyways, the Play Store is available here, so you can download most of the applications and take full advantage of the front camera also. So for the pricing of 13,000 rupees in the Indian market, the Micromax A111, the Canvas Doodle, is a pretty neat and great smartphone that you can have in your hands. When you compare it, taking the pricing into the consideration and even the specifications, comparing with most of the other smartphones that are available in the market right now, even from the Spice Carbon, there are smartphones that comes with a similar screen size, having quad-core processors, but the pricing is not similar, and even the camera quality is not that good as when you have checked right now in the A111. So do check out the channel for the other videos, the reviews and stuff. Thank you.